Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to freeze Snapchat location without turning it off. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So here we are. As you can see, I'm currently here on Snapchat on the camera screen. Now what you want to do first is come up and press your profile avatar in the top left-hand corner. From here, you want to come up the top right-hand corner and press onto the gear icon to go into your settings. Now what you need to do from here is scroll down the page until you get to the privacy control section, and then press on to see my location. From here, to go ahead and freeze your Snapchat location, what you want to do is turn on ghost mode at the top, so you can see when this is enabled, your friends can't see your location, so it's actually going to freeze your location. So just go ahead and turn this on. Then you can choose how long to turn this on for, whether for 3 hours, 24, or until turns off. And by enabling this, your friends cannot see your last active location. So effectively, this is going to freeze Snapchat location. So that's basically how you can freeze Snapchat location without turning it off. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.